on the internet that I gave cows and rice to Kabaka. I read the comments of some people who say they are my supporters. I felt sad. I said they are not my supporters. Because this is Christmas. We are celebrating Christ, the basis of our Christianity and religion. Before politics, we are human beings. Is that not so? We are human beings first before we are politicians. So if we cannot show humanity, then we will not be human politicians. If somebody who's a grandfather can come out on social media to beg for forgiveness, goes to church to beg for forgiveness, who am I not to forgive the person? I'm a man voter. I'm where I am today because of God. I'm not governor because I want to be governor, but God made it possible. So if I now pray God, I'm not sure God will forgive me. So for those who are commenting on social media, they can continue to comment. They don't believe in what I believe in. They are not Christians, they are not leaders. I have no regrets. Because we all agreed that God gave us victory. And in that victory, we should be magnanimous. And that is what I try to do to the God. As we go forward into the new year, we are going to have challenges. Not of our own making, but challenges because of the country we live in. There will be serious economic challenges. Don't be under any illusion. I said it more than 6 months ago that we had major crisis. Now it is showing it's going to be worse next year.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Gov.Obaseki and Tony Kabaka. I am so happy for the video when I see just now. You see that our governor, he gets the heart of gold. Now very good man. Now people will not know and they judge that man wrongly. Very, very nice man. Like, you know, I was so happy saying that man not even mind our bats when they behave like a moron. You know, the man a very nice man. Because when I see video where this person take beg and Tony Kabaka, he beg for a live video, he can still go a church, go beg am again, make it forgive am. You know, the man say he not be God. He not be God when not go fit forgive Tony Kabaka. He see he go church, go beg. He fit beg for live video. Later he can't go church, still go beg. Who can be him when he not go fit forgive am? He not be God. We are all human. You know? So he not go feel say because of what people they talk for social media. He not be God. He give forgive him. Now he brother too. You understand? Even God will create us with the evil they offend them every day. Or we go offend God every day. We go see beg God again. Every day make He forgive us. So who can be in when not go feel forgive? I love that word when He talk. When we never know day we go break tomorrow. You can't say you not go forgive person. This man go, he do live video, he lay down, he beg. After they lay down, he can't go church again. He can't go church. Everybody see that video. He can't go church, go beg. Obaseki say, who be him we not go forgive Tony Kabaka? I was so happy. If now only that one, now Tony Kabaka see this year, that is a happiness. He can't give him a big cow, make it do Christmas. Can't still give him blessing and money and big house. I not can know. He come still give am journal. I am so happy when I see that video. I was overwhelmed. I was so happy. You understand? Because our bats, below the feel say governor no go forgive Tony Kabaka. Who be you, Abat? More not say surprise. One day, this Abat go even come saga Obaseki sef. The way me dey look this Abat. He can't go bring all the video. When Tony Kabaka fed talk to Obaseki, he can't go they bring a come and they repost them again. Wetin make you feel say na you go fit tell governor wetin you go do about? I was so happy when I see say governor finally forgive Tony Kabaka. He forgive am because he not be God. He too see they offend God. You understand? He see they offend God. God they forgive am. Who can be in when not go fit forgive person? That is why he forgive Tony Kabaka. Say to err is human, but to forgive is divine. You understand? So I was so happy when the video with me I see today. And I don't know about the rest of Funa, but for me, I was so happy. Say Obaseki finally forgive Tony Kabaka. He forgive him. When I tell no, say politics. Now where they talk, put now they carry the enemy. You see, it's not just politics. So Tony Kabaka, or say Tony Kabaka said as he proud, who be expect say Tony Kabaka go come lead down for live video they beg Obaseki. He no dey. He see and say he don't do gra, he no work. He don't use indirect, he no work. Now he lead down beg, he give your life to Christ. And especially, he make one statement when I like. He say, and a new year we want still enter. When everybody they forgive who he offend. Who offend, I go forgive him. Now he reason say, no, I must forgive this man. I must forgive him. Now he say forgive Tony Kabaka. I was so happy when I see the video. God go bless you, Obaseki. You see, as you forgive him so, God go come bless you the more. As you forgive Tony Kabaka, God go come bless you the more. So my darling people, I'll put the video now more and see I'm gonna watch. I know I made this video too long, so that I may not tire on to watch and then me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
On the internet that I gave cows and rice to Kabaka. I read the comments of some people who say they are my supporters. I felt sad. I said they are not my supporters, those comments. Because this is Christmas. We are celebrating Christ, the basis of our Christian religion. Before politics, we are human beings. Is that not so? We are human beings first before we are politicians. So if we cannot show humanity, then we will not be human politicians. If somebody who's a grandfather can come out on social media to beg for forgiveness, goes to church to beg for forgiveness, who am I not to forgive the person? I'm a male voter. I'm where I am today because of God. I'm not governor because I want to be governor, but because God made it possible. So if I now pray God, I'm not sure God will forgive me. So for those who are commenting on social media, they can continue to comment. They don't believe in what I believe in. They are not Christians, they are not leaders. I have no regrets. Because we all agreed that God gave us victory. And that in that victory, we should be magnanimous. And that is what I try to do to the God. As we go forward into the new year, we are going to have challenges. Not of our own making, but challenges because of the country we live in. There will be serious economic challenges. Don't be under any illusion. I said it more than 6 months ago that we had major crisis. Now it is showing. it's going to be worse next year. But we are trying to insulate the bill. I drove around this morning to some major projects, just checking. And I'm glad, okay, I met my senior in one of the projects. And I'm glad that we took the decisions we took several years ago. It will be tough for Nigeria, but it will not be too bad for us in Nigeria. What we need to do is to continue to be united, to continue to be focused. Those people who